First, add targets either one by one or in bulk by importing a target file. Notice the format: targets must be specified as OPC UA URIs. You can delete any targets you don't want to scan. Then select the logging verbosity. Normal shows only most important messages. Debug adds also debugging messages. Trace shows in detail what is happening during a scan. We select trace for no particular reason. Then start the scan. You can see the status of the scan by observing log messages. When the scan is completed, the Open Report button becomes available. Open the scan report. OpalOPC found a single OPC UA server with 7 security issues. Each issue contains a link to a page in knowledge base with more details.